In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload an HTML project or website to GitHub. This is a simple way to store your website files online, share your project, or prepare it for hosting with GitHub pages. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign into your account. From your dashboard, open the repository where you want to upload your HTML project. If you don't have a repository yet, create one first. Once you're inside the repository, click Add File and select Upload Files. On the Upload page, you can drag and drop your website files into the upload area, or click Choose Your Files to select them from your computer. Select your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and any other files your website needs, then click Open. Once your files are added, scroll down and click Commit Changes. GitHub will now upload your files to the repository. Your HTML project is now stored on GitHub and ready to share, collaborate on, or deploy using GitHub pages. That's how to upload an HTML project or website to GitHub. Thanks for watching.